Well guys, we finally might have some light at the end of the tunnel, which is some very, very good news for some of you guys. So a few days ago, guys, I actually released a video, actually about a day ago, about how Amazon pretty much killed their affiliate marketing program and the commissions went down insanely low. So we're talking 3 to 1% commissions. You're not going to get any more than 3%. However, there are a lot of people in the comments about this and how their businesses were pretty much dead in the water now. But I went out and I found some other alternatives to Amazon associates and ones that you've never heard on this channel before. In fact, you probably actually don't even realize that these websites have affiliate marketing programs. I didn't even realize. I was surprised that some of these websites have affiliate marketing programs, and I should know better because I'm in the affiliate marketing industry, but I just assumed that they wouldn't. And some of them, well, one of them is paying over 50%. So we'll talk about that in a second. And you'll actually be surprised at how much money some of these affiliate platforms pay out. So let's get straight into this, guys. If you are struggling with the fact that Amazon has taken their commissions down, this is the video you want to watch because I'm going to take you through 7 other websites that are very similar to Amazon that you can actually get commissions from as well, and they have a very good commission fee. Now don't forget to subscribe, guys, and smash a like on this video so more people can see this, because we want as many people as we can to see this so they are aware of these websites, because a lot of people will not know that these have affiliate programs. The first one is Home Depot. We mentioned this in the last video, and these guys have probably the lowest commission out of these 7 websites, but it's still a bit better than Amazon. So for appliances, they pay out 2%, and for HD Home, whatever that is, they pay out 8%, and then anything else they pay out 2%. It's pretty bad, but it is better than Amazon at this point in time. Well, Amazon still has 3% on some stuff, so you've got to kind of got to line up and see what's what. But they have 2% on most stuff, and then 8% on HD Home. So it's probably around about the same as Amazon, this one. So maybe it might not be that good for some of you guys. The next one here, so that's Homedepot Com. And obviously they're very limited to what they sell as well. And you got to remember, guys, a lot of retail stores can't put high commissions because it's just not viable for them. The next one is Walmart. Now, surprisingly, Walmart has a pretty good commission structure. I didn't realize. I thought it would be a lot lower than this. But they pay out like 15%. We've got, 15% is pretty much the highest. We've got a 20% here. We've got 12, 15, 8. 8 is pretty much the lowest, and they sell a lot of stuff. Now, I know that Amazon is going to convert a lot better than some of these websites, but if you have an Amazon website that's lost money, or you were building one, you could simply go and exchange the affiliate links for some of these websites. So 15%, 6% is pretty much the lowest here, 8%, really good commission structure or referral fee percentage with Walmart, okay? Now, a bit of a disclaimer, I don't know if these guys have approval processes or anything. The next one is Target.com. Once again, another good structure here, a little bit low, but if basically 5 to 6% is pretty good. And then they have kind of like a structure here, so if you sell more, the percent is higher, it looks like, maybe. Yeah, so around about 8% if you sell a lot of products. And then 5% here, this is for apparel and accessories. Home and outdoor, your 5% minimum, 8% maximum. Baby gear, 3% minimum, 5% maximum. Health is 1% across the board, health and beauty. Once again, you're limited to a lot of products, but Target.com has their own affiliate program that you can use to promote products as an alternative. Now, Shareasale.com is not a website, well it is, but it's a network. So Shareasale.com, if you go and get an affiliate account, they actually have a list of shops on there. So they'll have like your Home Depots and stuff. Well, I don't know if they have Home Depot, but that's an example. They have websites and companies and retail stores that are listed on there. So there's hundreds of them, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other websites you can find to promote their products. And the commissions, they've got commissions that can range from 1%, I've seen up to 20%, 15%, even 30%. But there's just so many categories. So Shareasale.com is another good one, and it's a network, and they have multiple websites on there. Okay, so it's like a huge list of stores that you can go and promote products. Even bed mattresses you can promote. I know I've got a friend that does that. from this website actually. So Shareasale.com. Now this surprised me a lot actually. Now I knew eBay had an affiliate program, so ebay.com, but I didn't realize they're paying out 70%, 60%, 50%, 50%. So I've got 50% here all along the board. It's huge commissions. I don't know if that is even right, but apparently it is. That's what's on their website. So eBay, which has a lot of products, they're kind of like an Amazon, I suppose, are paying between 70 to 50%. Nothing lower than that. Nothing lower than 50%. That's crazy. So Amazon is another, eBay is another good one. In my opinion, I mean, these are really, really good commissions. So if you've got some Amazon links and you're losing money, go and swap them out for eBay. That would probably be my best alternative if I was going to do that, and just see how it converts. It might not convert as well, but you could make money, more money, so it could be viable for you. This one here is called CJ.com, used to be called Commission Junction. Once again, this is a network, so they have a lot of websites that you can promote. So you simply go in there, you sign up, you go and look, and they've got heaps. So they, I don't know, 14 billion annually, whatever that means, interactions or sales. I don't know. I don't really mess with this. I used to back in the day, but CJ.com, it's a network where you can find hundreds and thousands of websites, businesses, e-commerce stores, retail stores to promote products. The next one, this is pretty good as well, but this is once again limited to things like outdoor, bed and bath, rugs, storage, lighting, kitchen, renovations, appliances, and things like that. This is Wayfair.com. Now I couldn't find a solid source for the commissions, but apparently it's 7% across the board. So this website will pay you 7% for anything on their website, but I'm not 100% sure of that because I couldn't find anything on their website. I can only find things on other blogs, but apparently it's 7%. Now I hope that helped you guys kind of like get around this whole Amazon thing. I know it sucks, but there are alternatives out there that you can use instead of Amazon. You can test them and see if they'll work for you. Now if you want some more videos on affiliate marketing, I'll leave some up on the right that you can check out. They're completely free for you to watch. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm online for the next 24 hours replying to every single question. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.